Hello children, I welcome you all once again to your English class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine children. For today's English lesson, we are going to start a new chapter from your Mastering Grammar book, and this is actually not a chapter but a revision of what I have already taught you in your previous video lessons. Okay, so this one children, we are going to finish it, and that's a revision exercise on page number 91. Okay, so this is a revision exercise 2. We have already finished the first one, revision exercise. Now children, you can see we have some questions right here in the revision exercise. Answer the following questions after reading them carefully. Give the past tense and past participle forms of the verbs given below. So you see in A you have this exercise. Now first one is sing. Exercise A, first one is sing. I am going to write the verb first form here, the second form, that means the past form here, and the past participle form here. Yes children, now the past form is what? Which one is the past form? See, sing becomes sung, sang and sung, okay, in the past participle. Okay, so this is a strong verb. Now we have break. I hope you know the meaning of break. Break becomes broke and broken. Okay, now we can see this word choose. Choose will become chose, and then the third form is chosen. This is V2 form children, this is V3 form. Okay, sleep. Sleep has two forms only, slept and slept. Okay, then we have speak. Spoke, spoken. Okay children, then we have see. See will become saw and then see. And shake. Shake will become shook and shaken. Okay children, these are the three forms of the verbs asked. Okay, so sing, break, choose, sleep, speak, see, shake. Yes children, now please, if you want, you can pause the video and complete this one. We can move ahead with the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate form of verbs given in brackets. The teachers as well as the students dash in the auditorium. So as well as is there. See, the loophole is there. So when as well as is used, we are always going to take what children? We are always going to take the singular. That means we are going to take the teachers. So the first one. So the teachers, that means are. Okay. I hope you have finished this. Exercise B on page number 91. This one will be R because the first subject is teachers, okay? Teachers is plural. The United Kingdom dash many historical cities one can visit. So the United Kingdom is singular children. So we are going to write has. The United Kingdom has. Number 3 now. The stationery dash not yet bought. The stationery is not yet bought. Stationery is singular, children, always taken as singular. Okay? This pair of scissors dash very blunt. So children, scissors, trousers, jeans is always plural. So what will it be? So we have are a pair of scissors are. Okay? A lot of children dash participating in the program. A lot of word is there. So a lot of children are participating. A lot of children is participating. Children, I think can finish this one. A lot of children are, okay? And children, this are thing depends on the countable or uncountable noun. If we had a lot of milk, so it was uncountable, we would have written is. But because it's a lot of children, so that's why we are writing are. Okay? Now we have the next exercise, exercise C. Fill in the blanks with will, shall, could, may, might, ought to, or must. That means we have to fill in the blanks with models. Yes, the students dash go and play in the ground, but they dash maintain silence in the corridor on their way. The students, okay, we are allowing this thing, children, the students may. So this is formal. So this exercise C number 1, may go. They may go, but they must. Okay, this is compulsion, they must maintain. Number 2, all the citizens must. Okay. He dash come tomorrow if he feels well, as the medicines he is taking are effective. He will come tomorrow if he feels well. Will. This is prediction mode of kind. So now 4. Dash you please bring my bag from the other room. So shall you? Yes, we are advising. So now could you is the best one because we are asking for permission. Could you? Could you please bring? I dash attend your birthday party tonight, but my brother dash not be able to come. Okay? I will attend your birthday party tonight, but my brother, okay? With I we can use shall, children. So I shall or I may. Okay? I may attend. I may attend and my brother will not come. Will not. So children, we can actually just understand this. We can use a variety of them somewhere else as well. Like here you can see, but they ought to maintain silence would be perfect, I think. Must is because ought to maintain. So here we can just write must here and ought to here because we need to respect because it's a moral duty, and must can be here, must maintain silence. So yes, we can just change a little bit here and there. Okay. Now we can move ahead. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of verbs given in brackets according to the tenses mentioned. So D, you can see D we have water dash to vapor when it is boiled. Simple present. So water changes. D. Water is, children, uncountable noun, so it is always singular. That's why we are going to add S in changes. Change we will add changes. Okay. S is added. The girl dashed a kite before she is not very good at it. The girl, what do you think, children? The girl has flown a kite. Yes, flown. So the girl has flown. Because we have the present perfect. Ritik dashed in the pool for quite long before his mother came to pick him. Past perfect continuous. So this one will be had been, right children? Had been swimming. Had been swimming. Number 4. The man dashed the car earlier, but he did not know how to change its flat tire. So we have to write it in past perfect and use the verb drive. So had driven. The man had driven the car earlier. Number 5. The French ambassador dashed here next week. Simple present. Arrives here. Number 6. The secretary dashed the residents about the Republic Day celebration. The secretary will inform. Simple future. So will be there. Will inform. Number 7. The biology teacher dashed us different kinds of insects in class. Will be showing us. Will plus be plus ing form of the verb. So showing. Yes children? Now 8. The dancers dash on stage by the time the orchestra artist arrive. Okay. So the dancers will have danced. Will have danced. This is in future perfect. Yes children, we are done with the answers. Please fill in the blanks. Finish it. Finish these exercises. Then we have exercise E. Let's see what we are being asked to do. Rewrite these sentences in both negative and interrogative forms. Father is reading a novel. So in negative, we are going to write father is, this one is number 1, is not reading a novel. Yes, and then we have is father reading a novel? And question mark, okay? This is interrogative. Number 2. Many women are participating in the marathon. So, in negative, many women are not participating in the marathon. Yes, we have added not, and now in interrogative, are many women participating in the marathon? Number 3. We have to write a question mark here. We have to write. Okay, give a question mark. Children study in this room. Children is plural. That's why we are going to use do. Okay, children do not study in this room. And in the interrogative, do children study in this room? Question mark. Do not forget the question mark, children. Number 4. His neighbors had gone out on Tuesday. His neighbors had not gone out. In negative, his neighbors had will remain had only, had not gone out on Tuesday. Okay, and in interrogative we are going to write had his neighbors. When we have auxiliary verb, children, we are always going to use the auxiliary verb in the beginning. Had his neighbors gone out on Tuesday? Question mark. Yes. Now, if we have number 5, no, we do not have a number 5 then. We have other exercise F. Rewrite these sentences in the passive voice. Yes, children, just before we have started this started this revision exercise, I have made you do active and passive voice, and information is still fresh in your mind. So obviously you can do this. They were eating porridge. Yes, children, please complete this one so that I can continue with this exercise F. Exercise F. They were eating porridge. So porridge was being eaten by them. Number 2. Sachin Tendulkar scored a century. A century was scored by Sachin Tendulkar. Number 3. The policeman arrested the dacoits. The dacoits were arrested by the policeman. Number 4. Will you guide me? Will I be guided by you? Question. Number 5. Is she disturbing Manu? Is Manu being disturbed by her? She will become her in the object. Yes. Number 6. When did you buy this bicycle? When was this bicycle bought by you? Question. Number 7. The engineers designed the bridge carefully. The bridge was designed by the engineers carefully. Number 8. The choir singers will have learned the song by evening. The song will be learned by the choir singers by evening. Number 9. The chef prepared delicious snacks for the guest. Delicious snacks was prepared by the chef for the guests. Number 10. The detective followed the man in the overcoat. The man was followed the man in the overcoat. Okay, children, you have to write this also. In the overcoat was followed by the detective. So children, we are done with this exercise. Please note it down. Okay, and you can pause the video and finish it. We are still done with. We are still remaining with exercise G, H, and I, which we will do in the next video lesson before we begin with any other new chapter, whether it's from your Honeysuckle or any other book. So, children, we are done for today. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye.